Hi everyone, I am Payal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like home decor item in budget friendly price, so this video is for you. I have ordered some home decors item from Meesho within 100. So there is the product. So let's unbox it together. At first I am ordered a flower vase for my home decoration. So let's unbox it. So at first, let's talk about the packaging. I am not satisfied with this packaging because it is very thin packaging. No safety cover is there, but thank God that my products reach safely. Look at the vase. It is very beautiful and more aesthetic, simple. It is best for simple room decor idea. So I am very impressed about it. Now the second parcel is artificial flower. So let's see how is this parcel. This packaging also very bad. I am not impressing about this parcel. This flower is broken. The color is beautiful but flowers leaves are broken. I am not satisfying with this. I think अगर मैं इसको ठीक कर लूंगी तो ये ठीक हो जाएगा. Let's it put on the vase. Good at all. So maybe I am going to replace this artificial flower because I am not satisfying with this. But overall this is okay. So this is about my Meesho parcels unboxing. If you want to link a flower vase and this artificial flower, check my comment box. I will put these links there. So if you like my videos, so subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Let's see you again in the next video. Bye.